Hi, my name is Neff, and I help vacation rental owners get more direct bookings on their website. Now that we have Typebot installed with Google Tag Manager, the next step we want to take is to send lead submissions from Typebot over to Google Analytics and record them as conversions. We're going to send conversions to Google Analytics using something called the data layer and Google Tag Manager. The data layer is a place where you can store and retrieve data with Google Tag Manager. And once you have the data with Google Tag Manager, you can send it really easily to both Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. Luckily, Typebot makes this really easy because it has this code block down here. Create this new code block, and then once you're in it, copy and paste this code. This code snippet will send data to the data layer once it gets executed in the chatbot flow. Right here, you can see that I scooted up this code block to be executed immediately after the chatbot starts. I did this to spare you the time it takes to actually go through the entire chatbot flow to see how this code block sends data to the data layer. So normally you would have this code block toward the end of your chatbot flow. Once you have this code block ready and with that code snippet to push the data to the data layer, let's test it out. Let's head over to Google Tag Manager. Make sure you have your proper workspace selected. So here I am in Cabin Promos. Then head over to Preview. This prompt to connect Tag Assistant to your website will come up. Make sure the website URL is correct and click Connect. Now this new tab was launched and you can see this Tag Assistant is working successfully. Let's move this aside because down here is where we have our chat bubble. And if we go back to our Typebot, we can expect for this code to fire right after we initiate the chatbot. So let's go back to my website and initiate it. From here, let's go to Tag Assistant. Let's click on Continue. And here you can see that this event called generate_lead was successfully fired. So let's click into it and let's go over to the data layer. Now that everything is working as expected and we're able to send the generate lead event from Typebot over to the data layer, the next step is to grab the data from the data layer with Google Tag Manager. From there, we can push that data to both Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4 in one go. I'll show you how to do that in the next video.